Hello, it's Jim from Tech Buzz, and today we're going to have a quick first look at unboxing of the Echo Show 5 after the break. So welcome back, and today we have the Echo Show 5 in, which is a compact Echo with a 5.5 inch screen. Currently I have this guy beside my bed. Now we're moving over to this. So looking forward to this, because sometimes you feel a bit stupid talking to these. With this you're getting some kind of visual feedback. So on the side it tells us that we have skills, which is important. So you've any IoT in your house, here you go. So you've Ring, Hive, Skype, Prime Video and so on. WikiHow, Hive, Sky Sports, BBC, TuneIn and all that kind of stuff, which is cool. So Alexa can show you things, made fit for your life, control your smart home, hands-free video call and messaging, which is all pretty good. So look forward to seeing what we have. So here it will tell us what we have inside. We've got Alexa, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, audio line out and built-in camera cover, and that's pretty much it on the box. So you can play your morning lists, what's on your calendar, show the weather, call mum, wake me up. Pretty similar to the old version here, which most of us will have in our houses. But as I said, you're getting visual feedback from this guy here. So let's open her up, and we are presented with the unit straight away. And we get a plug with Amazon branding and a power outlet. So what I'm going to do is plug that in and see what kind of screen is like and what it looks like. So on the bottom you have a rubber footing, which is nice, so it's not going to move, it's fairly stuck solid there. Up on top you have some keys, and this will be presumably your camera key to block out things. You have your plus, minus and whatever this one is, so I have to check that out when we power it on. On the back you have your IOs, so we'll plug it in and see what happens. So that'll be our power key. So that's your boot up screen there. Pretty simple device, not much to it. Looks like some breathing space right down here, and that's it. Nice screen. So we have to put it that way, you can get a kind of idea of what the screen size is. So we've Echo and so on. Startup time is a bit slow. There's some sound. So this could be the speaker as well, which I kind of, yes, I'd imagine so, as well as breathing space. So once we get some information on what's here it's like, and then we'll get on. So the usual setup here will apply, and we'll get it set up. And any questions in the meantime, feel free to ask and let us know, and we'll talk to you soon in further review.